that's my dog. Hello Dexter. And today's video, I'm going to make a parasite noodles. This is a Korean noodles called Parasite from the movie, obviously from Parasite. Hello everybody, welcome back to Jonalyn and the American Guide channel. Today's video, today's episode, today's vlog is about cooking. Today I'm going to make Jjpaguri. It's a parasite noodles in Korea, which if you watch the movie called Parasite, this is the noodles from the Parasite movie. So we're going to try this and let's get started. First, we're going to light up the fire, boil the water, put the cover on, and this is my steak. In the video, using the beef, a high quality beef, because that is a rich woman asked her helper to make noodles. I'm just using this beef. It's not very expensive, but I'm just using it for this recipe of mine. So we're going to chop it. I think we have to chop it into cubes. And then we're going to add some veggies to make it more healthy. So we're going to chop this out because we don't like that. And then just cut it smaller. So we're going to open our noodles. This is the Jjpaguri. And we're going to open it, what is inside. Basically, it's a instant noodles with black sauce in it. Supposed to be spicy. In the video, in the movie, they use two kind of noodles. So I will try to use two kind of noodles. I thought only using one, but I changed my mind because this one, I think they're not really spicy. Yeah, so I'm just stirring here some chili sauce. I'm just thinking maybe it's too much, so maybe I will just take half of it because I'm not sure whether I can finish it. So now water is boiling and we're going to add our noodles. And then I'm going to add half of these noodles because I'm not sure if I'm going to finish it or not. Then just give it a stir. To make these noodles a bit more healthy, we're going to add our vegetable. And we're going to stir it so that the vegetable also cooks together with the noodles, because this vegetable is called kai-lan and it's really take time to cook. It's quite hard. So that's it for now, and we're going to close it. Try to open it and check whether it's cooked already. I think it's cooked, so it's time to turn off the fire. And then we're going to drain our noodles, but we're going to keep the sauce because we can use that later for our gravy. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to on the fire for our frying time. Put some oil. Put the onion. Then put the garlic. Then time to cook the beef. Okay, this is the sauce. This is the gravy from the noodles just now. And we can add more. It's a bit dry. Add some more chili because I like spicy, but I don't know how spicy it is later. I'm not so sure. And then it's ready now. We can add our noodles. Wow, that's a lot. I think this is a lot. This is too much. Quite nice. We can add more chili. Korean food is supposed to be very, very spicy. Okay, it's done. Off the fire. Wow, this is a lot. Can feed for like 5 family in it. Oh, this is so spicy. Ta-da! And the difficult time is washing up. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoy my mukbang, parasite mukbang. And here you guys, that's my dog, and the other one is still sleeping. It's very spicy, but it's very nice. You should have tried it and put some beef and vegetable in it, and it's perfect. So if you are new to